Alright, we're back with some more on this S10. We've got the motor and transmission in, kind of getting everything mocked up. Again, this is a 350. This board 60 over, I believe. Running the cams, some 1.6 rockers, not really sure what it's putting out. We didn't build the engine, someone else built the engine that the customer purchased. We're running the NV3500 transmission, 5-speed. That's the same transmission that goes in the 4.3 S10s and the 1500 Chevys, with the 305s and the 350s in those as well. So transmission will be fine and still get to keep it as a manual. So customer opted to go ahead and do away with the air conditioning because they weren't worried about running AC in the truck and to free up a little more space. So what we did was we took all that off. We went ahead and went in with a factory style, just a heater box, so they'll still retain heat and defrost, all that good stuff. Like I said, that also clears up some more room and space over here. We've done our clearances for the headers, getting that stuff there situated. We've got a power steering pump and everything coming, Flaming River, so that should fit in a tight space over there to keep the power steering and everything on that. So we're gonna finish mocking up a few things. We'll pull the motor and transmission back out, finish up with a couple things that we need to there. We'll go back in with it one more time, and that'll be the last time. Then we'll get everything finished up with the drive shaft, start getting all this wiring and everything that needs to be done, and eliminate what doesn't need to be there. So we're going to get back at it. You guys keep watching, keep liking, and we'll be back with some more. Thanks.